You need me to fix something?
Yeah, I got a bit of a problem with my plumbing.
Alright. Where is it?
Oh, my plumbing?
Yeah.
Follow me. It's actually, in here.
Is it the toilet?
Whatever you want.
I don't see anything wrong with that.
Oh,
Let me check your sink.
Okay. It's actually farther in.
Oh yeah, I see it. Can you hand me the hammer?
Oh, I didn't get a hammer.
Where is it?
Oh, the hammer?
Yeah, the hammer.
Oh, it's literal.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, the pipes are all twisted up.
Alright, I got this. I got it. Okay.
You really know how to beat things with a hammer, don't you?
That's my job.
Yeah.
There, anything else I can do for you?
What's in your toolbox?
Oh,
Do you have a screwdriver?
yeah, I do actually. Yeah, that's normal plumber,
Can you show me?
No, I don't think I can. There's no screwdriver in there. There's no